Tracking powders can reveal rodent pathways by leaving fine marks on feet and fur that show where activity is occurring. Tracking powders used for rodent control work by leaving a visible or ultraviolet detectable residue on rodent fur and feet as they pass through a treated zone so you can map runways and burrow entrances. Apply only products that are legal for consumer use in your jurisdiction and read the label for permitted sites and application methods. For DIY monitoring, place a light dusting of legal consumer powder or non-toxic tracking medium across a narrow runway inside a tamper-proof bait station or under a one-way entry tunnel to concentrate, transfer, and prevent wind or dust from dispersing. Always use gloves and a mask when handling powders, and avoid areas where children, pets, or non-target wildlife can access the treated surface. Record the pattern and location of marks each time you check and photograph them under natural or ultraviolet light if the powder is fluorescent so you can compare changes over time. If you see heavy contamination or find pellets or carcasses, check the label for cleanup instructions, and if a restricted professional product appears necessary, contact a licensed pest professional rather than attempting to source restricted materials yourself. Common mistakes include using powdered products that are not legal for homeowner use, which can create legal risk and unsafe exposure. So verify product registration and switch to approved consumer alternatives, or stop and consult a pest professional. Another frequent issue is excessive application on open surfaces, which produces false positives from wind or dust and increases exposure. So confine dust to narrow runways inside, tamper-proof enclosures, and use minimal amounts. Finally, many people treat broad areas looking for control rather than monitoring, which wastes product and may harm non-targets. So use tracking powders solely to detect and map activity, then implement proven consumer control options such as bait blocks and snap traps, or hire a professional for restricted methods. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around home improvement and pest control topics while offering a discussion community where people share experiences and ask questions. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work by providing a platform for leads and community feedback.